really got to be more considerate of my audio.
I'm trying.
Next time you have to make noise, just think maybe don't. Maybe don't make that noise.
I'll harmonize with it.
That would be nice. Would you go higher or lower?
Higher for sure.
Yeah, you gotta hit the falsetto. That's nice. That's good stuff.
If I'm lying, may Chuck Norris strike me down.
How did you get the job of forklift operator?
The best at it.
Welcome back to this week's recap, where we take you behind the scenes and show you what's been happening around the shop. This week, we're kicking things off with a massive slab delivery that we just received from our good friends over at GL Veneer out in California.
Try to slow it down. There you go. You're gonna have to swing around.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy. Okay. You gotta go. Alright, there you go. You got it. Okay.
Bill, how do you feel about this?
This has been a ride. Thank heavens for Rick.
You can go much faster, Rick. It'll definitely turn out great. Or not, you do it. Just tilt it forward. Yeah. Yeah. Into it. There you go.
Pulling up.
Look at it.
I wanted to look strong on camera.
Probably very. Yeah, just go for it.
Broke it. Very light.
Stop touching it.
Now we're uncrating everything and finally getting our first look at this batch of slabs that we ordered, which all of these slabs already belong to a project that are on the horizon. We've got some incredible Mappa, a stack of Buckeye burls, and one insane cottonwood burl in the mix. If you want a deeper dive next time that we get a deliver like this, let us know in the comments and we'll break it all down for you in a separate video.
Alright, well, clearly you have it. Yeah, we're gonna have to be really careful with that one.
Wow.
You alright? I'm fine, but are you okay? You made a weird face. I made a weird face because that was starting to bend. Once I figured out.
Well, my brain was like, that's really bad.
So long. Are you on the saw or do you want to put something on?
I will be on the saw.
Hi, Joe.
Hi, Luke.
What are you doing, Joe?
I'm setting up a glue up.
Is this the record cabinet?
This is the record cabinet.
Oh, wow.
Ooh. Why, hello there. Old purple pants.
Old purple pants.
And over here we've got John and Will working on a custom record cabinet that's currently in production. This piece is being built entirely from solid Sapelli hardwood, which is going to give it incredible depth, warmth, and durability once it's finished. Right now they're in the glue up stage for the main carcass, and getting this assembly perfectly square and locked in is critical.
Extend is like really.
Yellow?
Are we sure that's extended?
Yes.
Alright, good.
Are you sure it's extend?
No, it usually stays the same size, unfortunately.
Your excessive glue usage. Can you hold that for a second? With your chin, with your oily chin.
Hey.
Hey, you were the one who was complaining about your chin.
That was
being
my
oily.
forehead.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, well, that's the squeezy squeeze out right there.
3? No, these are the letters.
right? 2, 3. They're the they're the numbers. Right.
Right.
In it.
Right.
Broke Luke. I'm hitting you on the way down too. Come on. This one is always the hard one to put on. I don't know why.
Is this setting up?
Oh yeah. Satisfaction. Grab the top. Yeah. Grab this. Yep.
Wait.
Look at this, she's in Italy doing the things. Good morning to you. Hi, Rick.
Hey.
With these two pieces, hopefully, you need to mill them down and then make them drawer fronts for this. And that's going to involve doing some stuff. Great.
It's almost like you planned it that way.
Almost.
What are you doing now?
So I'm gonna have channels for those in the backs of these, right? And so I have to mark 5 millimeters in from this wall into this side to show me where the edge of that channel is gonna be cut.
Oh.
Yeah, it's gonna be scary.
I'm scared.
Reasonable. You are being reasonable is what you're being. Will's scared and he doesn't even know why.
Will, are you scared right now?
Now that the carcass is glued up, John's going to move on to machining the joinery for the drawer boxes. We're cutting locking dovetails for all the drawers, which will give us both mechanical strength and long-term durability, especially with the weight vinyl can put on a box over time. The drawer sides are also getting a custom curve profile, and that curve isn't just for looks, it gives the end user a better view and easier access to the records, while adding a really clean design detail to the overall piece. To get this done, the guys will rough cut each profile on the bandsaw. Then they'll attach a template that we made in the shop. From there, they'll use a flush trim router bit to clean everything up and make sure every drawer side is perfectly consistent and repeatable.
Get it on there, flush trim it. I know that's a new thing that you've never even heard of before.
John's trusting you with this.
Yeah. I don't know why. Thunk.
Wow.
It's really cool. I do like it a lot.
That's smut.
Other side. Still there, but it's not as bad.
Yeah, I'm almost done sanding this. Well, I'm almost done sanding the edge.
What grit did you sand this to?
This is 1,000.
From what?
I mean, like, from like 40.
Oh.
I like grinded the edges, and then to smooth that out, I did 40 grit, 60 grit, 80 grit, 100 grit, 120 grit, 150 grit, 320 grit, 400 grit, 800 grit, 1,000 grit. I've done this like 100 times.
Like Rick just mentioned, he's in the middle of sanding this resin table that we've got in progress. And sanding resin is absolutely no small task. The finishing process really comes down to patience and progression. We work methodically through multiple grits, stepping everything up gradually to eliminate scratches from the previous pass. Resin is extremely unforgiving, and any micro scratch or inconsistency will show once finish hits it. So the surface prep has to be absolutely dialed in to meet our standards. Now that Rick's wrapped up the sanding, the table's going to head down to the finish room where we'll get some finish on it, attach the bases, and start bringing the piece to life and get it ready for its new home.
That's a good
good move. Top and sides, let it sit, flip it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ow.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like the mood of drizzling it onto existing, those couple dots here.
And that's going to wrap up this week's recap. We've got some seriously exciting builds in motion right now, and we're just getting started. As always, we appreciate you following along and supporting what we do here in the shop. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes look, make sure to like the video, drop a comment, and let us know what you'd like to see more of. We'll see you in the next one.